Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogel filling in for Patrick Assalone in today's Winners Losers Break Even video. It is Tuesday, July 11th at 4:10 p.m. just after the New York close. And here is today's proof of the pudding for our students that were able to download these levels, these HVAs, and put them onto their charts respectively for today. And they were posted last night at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So let's get right into it. Starting this off was Kevin with this Dow short, followed by a gold long, both winners for a total of $215 on Sim. Stephen G attempting a Euro inverse long. Should have had a winner out of that, or at least break even at the very least, but down 8 ticks. It's about $50 or so in the Euro. Live real money. Bill K, gold reversal short winner on Sim, up 340. Robert J, micro oil short, up $42 on Sim. David D, micro NASDAQ long. I don't know why his account's negative, but this was a winner nonetheless. I didn't have anything preceding this, so I cannot explain why it's a negative balance, other than the fact that he most likely didn't send anything in. Relatively new student, so he may have been testing something out, but regardless of that, he is still down for the day, but had a winner in the micro NASDAQ. Danny J, oil, long, break even, advanced trending entry, live, real money. Francis, live, real money, attempted the micro Dow short, down $57. Lyle, micro NASDAQ short, loser, down $50 on Sim. Stephen G, attempting an advanced entry here in the ES, got stopped out, full stop out for 57 ticks down. What is that? 57 ticks, divide that by 4, times that by 50. That's about $712 down. So he's down almost $800 on the day. It can happen. You are expected to have winners and losers while trading. Not every time is going to be a win, but there are rules and methods in place that you're supposed to follow to help manage your money. That's why we teach money management in our rooms as well. So with that said, he's done for the day, and he'll come back tomorrow and probably make up for it and then some. Lyle, another loss on the day. Micro ES now down 110 total, so this was a $60 loss on Sim. Graham, oil reversal long, up 220 on Sim. Kathy, same oil long, up 280 on Sim. Jeff K, attempted short in the ES, live real money break even trade. Renault, ES, long break even. He got slipped on it a little bit, down $25 on Sim. Robert J, micro Dow short, up $90 on Sim. Now, we've seen this entry earlier with Francis, who took it live, but Francis just didn't really have the quite the stop placement where he needed. It happens. Mistakes, that just happens. That's part of life. That's part of being human. But with this, there's a loss and a winner for the same trade. Robert got it for 90 on Sim. Jason S took that micro ES short winner, got one off, and then his trail got hit, up $37.50 live, real money. Renault attempting a trending entry short in the ES, down now a total of 175, so he lost 150 on this trade on Sim. Mark J, NASDAQ inverse short at that HVA, up 360 on Sim. Cole B, oil short one lot, up 110 on Sim. Stevie W, same entry, up 340. Took it with 2 lots instead of the one like Cole took it on Sim. Renault took it as well. He should have had a winner out of this, really, but got break even. Well, actually, he just got a little bit better than break even, 1 tick. So he's, instead of 175 negative, he made $10 on this trade. So he's done for the day, down 165 on Sim. Francis also making a comeback, now down only 24.50 instead of the prior, what was it, 48 or something. So winner with the micro ES long here. He too is also done for the day. John P. taking an advanced trending entry, long break even. If it was a winner, we wouldn't have been able to count it anyways, but because it's a break even and or loss, we will count those towards our totals. But because it's not at that edge or that methodology that's structured around those HVA edges, we cannot count those winners. We count all losses and break evens, however. Sandra, 2 entries here, attempting 2 trending entries. First one was a misclick, technically short winner for a few ticks, or points, I should say. And then the second one, still learning, not the direction we're looking for this particular trade, but a winner nonetheless. And with that attempt, we can't count this as a win for us. However, it is still 570 towards her totals on the day on Sim. Charles D taking that same trending entry in oil that we saw, 2 trades ago, up 160, got first one off, then trail got hit at break even on Sim. Mark J taking another entry, this time NASDAQ. Well, we saw this one earlier over here. That's the first one. Second one over here, now up 620 on Sim for the day. Sean B, micro NASDAQ short, up $37.50 live real money. Brian R taking that same trade that Mark did in the NASDAQ, up 270 on Sim. Rusty taking an advanced trending entry long in oil, up 180 on Sim. Danny, oil long live real money advanced trending entry, up $155 on Sim. Sorry, my bad. Total for the day, he had a loss here in the Dow for a total of 155 on Sim. I'm not quite sure what he made in oil, but he had a loss in the Dow shortly after. That brought him down to 155 on the day. And that's not on Sim, my bad. I think I said Sim, but this is a live trade. Both these trades were the oil and the Dow. Sandra, ES short on Sim, up 350. Brian R taking that same trade Sandra did, up 470 on Sim. John P taking another trending entry. Remember, he had that break even over here in oil. Went again, got his first target off, and then his remaining got hit at break even for a total of 320 on the day on Sim. Patty attempting some trending entries long, ES up 175 on Sim. Sorry, these are out of order. This is actually the first one from Patty from earlier. Attempted long, full stop out. Oh, wait, no. No, this one is in order. I remember I rearranged it. So she went again, got hit with a loss, and then was up 150 and now became down 50 on Sim. And then Brian R, NASDAQ short, up 550 for the day on Sim. And lastly, another trade by Patty. Who's going to finish us off for the day. Another advanced trending entry, ES on Sim, for a total of the day of $75. Remember, she was down 50 before this, so she had to make that 50 and then the additional 75. So a $125 winner right there. Finishing off the day, $75 positive on Sim. So that brings us to today's winners, losers, break evens for 17 unique winners, 8 losses, and 3 break evens on the day for today's numbers. If you're interested in learning more information about these levels, about the methodology, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on our Facebook page or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either of those locations. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day that the markets are open, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.